Hey, how are you? So good to see you again. Welcome back to the How To channel. Today we'll be going over how to speak English. English is such a great skill to have because there's so many people in the world who know how to speak English. So then if you learn how to speak it, then you can talk to all of them. So such really endless opportunities for you. I've been speaking English pretty much my whole life and I'm a big fan of it, and so I'm here to share my knowledge with others so that someday you can speak English and do all the English things that you want to do. So let's get started. So the what we'll be using here is Duolingo, which is a pretty popular uh, language learning course website. So I'm just gonna pick English. Start course. All right. Hmm. This is not in English. Um, so I guess that makes sense because if I'm learning English, then I can't be learning English in English, so I'm gonna have to do it in this language. Se eres principiante, empiezo an intro, si sabes algo del idioma, toma un examen corto. I don't know what that means because that's not in English, but I sure wish it was in English because then I could understand it because that's in a language that I understand. So I see intro, so let's do that. I think this might be Portuguese. I'm not sure. All right. So let's say that you speak Portuguese. This is what it would be like for you uh if you were learning English. So this is just like a quick tutorial for you guys. Okay. So qual de estos es café? So I think that means coffee.
Coffee,
Coffee. See?
coffee,
They tell you how to say it. Okay. Como se dice café? Coffee.
coffee,
See? It's so easy. ¿Cuál de estos es té? I think té is tea.
tea, hat, hat,
See, now they're saying, can you hear that?
hat, hat,
Hat, so that's hat.
hat,
See, it's so easy.
neat,
What's that?
neat,
Neat? Neat.
neat,
See, I don't know what that says, but I think they're saying good job.
hello,
Hello, that means like,
hello,
oh. Hello is like how you say, like that's how you greet somebody. Like when I saw you, I was like hello. That's what hello means. So in Portuguese it would be, I think this is Spanish. I think it'd be hola. Yeah, I think that's it. Yes. All right, cool. So then, como se dice hola? That's what we just did. So hello.
hello,
Hello.
hello, hello,
Hello. That's like a
hello,
that's like a child's accent in English. But so that's hola, as we know.
tea, please,
Tea, please. That means like tea, the drink, and then like you're asking for it. So please,
please,
yeah, it tells you right there. All right, por favor. Oh, I gotta say the whole thing. Okay, como se dice por favor? I think that was please.
please,
Please. That's like
hello,
whatever.
Julia,
Hello.
hello, Julia,
So hello is hola, as we know, and then Julia, that's just Julia. It's the same in both. Some words are the same in both, like that.
coffee, please,
Coffee, please.
coffee,
Or
please,
slower.
coffee, please,
Coffee, please. But either way, it would be coffee, and then the word please.
please,
Super easy, that one.
Tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee.
Coffee. Tea and coffee.
So you can highlight each one of the words, and then it
Tea.
just tells you the answer. Alright.
And
E
coffee.
cafe. Te y cafe. Well, that's like, so like if you speak Spanish, you'd see tea and coffee, and then you have to put it in the words that you know.
Coffee and tea.
Coffee. So that's cafe e te. Ooh, I'm good at this. Yeah.
Coffee and tea, please.
Coffee and cafe y té, por favor. Hell yeah. Repasamos los ejercicios incorrectos.
Tea, please.
This is the one I forgot to say té. Por favor. Okay, estás a 37x de alcanzar tu meta diarrhea. Alright, so that's just like a quick how you do it. So I don't know what this. I'll just stop right there. But basically, that's how you would do it. You just like go on this website, and then they would like teach you how to do it, and they'll like put it in the words that you know, and then tell you the words in English, and then you can like figure out what the same ones are, and then you just gotta do this a couple times, and you'll be speaking English like all the English speaking people. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.